how to get the best placements. What's your advice? Open house right now. Let's give them 5 top points. As I said, this should be the guidebook for these all 21, 22 years old.
Me personally, I did my internship in Camco Limited, the chocolate manufacturer of India.
Oh, nice.
So it was a really beautiful experience.
Right now you're done with your graduation. भाई जो तुम जर्नी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, ये बच्चे अपनी जर्नी खत्म कर रहे हैं, इनसे सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. Alright, so let's just want an introduction. Pinto Saab, what's your name? Where are you from? Where are you placed as well, please?
Alright, so I'm Joel Leander Pinto. I actually had a whole background where I did my schooling back in Oman. So after which I completely came to India to pursue my further education, both in Christ as well as right now currently at St. Aloysius.
Excellent.
But apart from that, as a person, I'm into music. I'm also a bit into media and photography.
Lovely.
And I like to have a mixed bag of things as my
That's
personality.
great. Thank you. Yes, please.
So my name is Sanya. I was born in Coorg but was brought up in Mangalore. I completed my BCom in St. Aloysius Deemed to be University and currently pursuing my MBA in
Oh,
Finance.
BTech यहीं से फिर MBA यहीं से.
Yeah.
That's lovely. Yes, sir. Please.
Okay, my name is Melan D'Souza.
Milan.
Yeah, Melan D'Souza. Basically,
Melan.
schooling sub mera has been done in Puttur only. It's nearby Mangalore. And right now, I was more inclined into finance aspect. That's why I chose finance and analytics as my specialization. I come from a business background, but I feel like instead of continuing my family business, if I could become a brand of my own, that would actually fulfill my legacy. Yes.
That's lovely. And you have any work experience before?
Yes, sir. I've actually done an internship.
Internships are not work ex, huh? Fresher Janta, number one learning of this podcast is internship is not work experience. You're not going to get points for this. But yes, in the golden chair when you're getting interviewed by a top company, there you can talk about their internship. Where was the internship? How many months?
So I've done 2 internships. One was back home in Oman at a company called Al Ansari Trading. It was a completely analytical experience where they completely trained me on their ERP, Power BI systems, and basically data visualization, but at the same time data management as
That's
well.
lovely. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
And then the second one was in Karnataka Agencies Mahindra.
Okay.
So it was a whole new experience because this was a whole different department as well because it's sales and marketing.
Excellent.
Unlike my analytical background before, this was sales and marketing.
Brilliant. Sanya.
So my internship was for a very short duration, maybe like 6 weeks or 7 weeks. And I did it in Bangalore, Rural Shows Business Service Private
Did
Limited.
you learn something there?
Yes, sir,
Yeah.
definitely.
It helps in CV pointer as well.
Yeah.
What about you?
Me personally, I did my internship in Camco Limited, the chocolate manufacturer of
Oh,
India.
nice.
So it was a really beautiful experience, and it actually gave me a lot of new skills that I could develop.
Your college has 2 internships as well as part of the MBA program.
There's only one.
One internship.
Yeah.
Okay. I think there's one virtual project or something
Yes.
which they recently launched. What's that?
Summer internship project.
Summer
Yes,
internship
I-
project. Okay, let's go. How to get the best placements? What's your advice? Open house right now. Let's give them 5 top points. As I said, this should be the guidebook for these all 21, 22 years old. Because right now you're done with your graduation. भाई जो तुम जर्नी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, ये बच्चे अपनी जर्नी खत्म कर रहे हैं, इनसे सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. Let's go भाई. Open house. Number one thing, how to get the best placement.
Research.
Research.
Research is very important. Know what your company is before actually applying to them. Because if you do not have that knowledge or lack that knowledge, they can easily ask you something that you may not know and be cornered. So instead, have all the information you need about the company that you're applying for.
Well, how to get that information?
Either go to their websites, go through what they're actually doing, maybe go and directly do a cold call.
Yeah.
It doesn't hurt,
Oh.
because they don't think of you as a stranger. They might think of you as a possible customer from which you might get even more insights.
Excellent. Excellent.
So that
If
is
it's a
also
start,
personal experience.
nobody has ever given this advice. If it's a startup, just go and call them as a customer and say that in the interview, sir, मैंने ना आपके boardroom में कल call किया था as a student to get the entire information as a customer, and at a 30 minutes call and I understood what your sales people are doing. Bang on, you're gonna get shot.
Best way to add on to it was basically a Glassdoor. There every employee who's working in the company, he uploads unfiltered
bad.
anonymous reviews. So
Most of the reviews are dirty there on Glassdoor because people don't write good stuff on Glassdoor.
Yeah, but it's like you can have an idea of where
क्या
you're
चल रहा है
gonna,
अंदर.
what's going on in the market.
Or go to economictimes.com. It's a big company, like, one of the world's biggest company. ExxonMobil, type in there. Click on the news section on Google and read through. Number 1, research. Number 2.
Upgrading your skills.
Okay.
Skills such as communication skills, analytical, and problem solving. Because when I attended my interview at ExxonMobil, they basically gave me different scenarios and they asked me to find out solutions. So analytical and problem solving aspects were really important.
Okay.
So those skills needs to be.
Did they ask you in the interview also, like, solve this problem? How would you do
Yeah,
that?
they gave me a situation.
Like
Okay.
what?
They told you have to take one person into your team, say badminton, some sports team, and that person is not at all skilled, but she has that passion to play. So would you still consider to take her in, or you'll keep her out?
Oh, what is your answer?
I said, since she has a passion to play, then I would definitely take her in, because the drive, that she has within her would help us in some or the other.
Much powerful, yes.
Yeah, much powerful.
बहुत बढ़िया. Number 2 is done. Number 3.
So for me, it's application, knowing where to apply your knowledge. Basically, theoretical knowledge everyone can gather, but what company is looking, basically people that you're hiring is whether you can apply it or not. They tell you, how to value a company, you're gonna give them a definition that won't work. It's basically when you have the knowledge how to apply it and then communicate those, all those ideas that come to your mind. That is where they find potential in you.
And another bonus point I would like to add here, sir, is actually build your brand. By building your brand is basically meaning, make yourself visible.
Like
Alright?
what? That's a good one, but people don't understand building a personal brand, how important
So what
it
that
is.
means is basically creating a profile either on LinkedIn, Indeed, all these platforms where actually companies can understand you and look at yourself and look at your profile firsthand. Rather than again going through a variety of CVs and variety of people that they usually have to,
Excellent.
they are able to actually go there, surf for themselves and find the right choice.
Any parting thoughts with all these great people, boys and girls? This school has got a legacy of 146-year-old जहाँ पे हम यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं. 1880 established और इनका MBA program काफी crazy कर रहा है. तुम लिख रहे हो. इनको ज्ञान दो. Any parting thoughts to all of them? Let's go.
Okay, sir. People ask us कि highest placement कहाँ से ढूंढना? How will you, position yourself in a way? So personally, I feel like highest value is not just monetary terms. It's more like how you resonate with it, where you can find, you can find companies that actually value you. Instead of running behind a monetary value, finding a workplace that actually, gives you all the value, all the core values that you feel, okay, either I can work here, I can develop myself. That is where I feel like, I should have. I am choosing this company.
क्या तेरा core value? बड़ी-बड़ी बातें कर रहा है तो बहुत बढ़िया बातें कर रहा है. ये 21 की उम्र में मुझे तो घंटा समझ नहीं आ रहा था. What the hell is core value? मैम भी हंस रहे हैं वहाँ पे बैठे.
It's a difference in age gap, I might say.
Oi.
No offense to it. Definitely no offense. But sir, as of now, back in your time, no offense again, but degree or graduation used to be the epitome of education. Right now we are doing MBA and people are like, MBA is also not worth it anymore. No matter how much you study, you keep on pursuing degrees, it's not worth anymore. So personally, I feel like you should start young, sir. Or coming from
core value बता. Core value explain कर इनको. तेरा core value क्या है?
Coming from a family of business, I feel like, having a, setting a mark, when there is a standard benchmark, setting a mark above that benchmark is what's going to fulfill my journey in life, sir.
Understood. So when you said, think about your core values in choosing a company, so you look for such a company where they are making you excel?
Where I can go hand in hand with them, sir. Not just they contribute to me, but where I can, personally.
You are valued as a person
yeah.
as well by contributing.
Let's say accounting, right now, accounting sector is valued at 600 billions, right? So I feel like right now I might be a tiny part of it. But in future, somewhere I can be,
You want to be like a cog in the wheel, which is important, जिससे पूरा wheel और system ना चल पाए. Great. Sanya, बातें बढ़िया कर रहा है लड़का. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Good, I like
I
it.
feel the right preparation will speak for you even before you start speaking.
Lovely.
So that's the whole point. So preparations will help you reach greater heights.
Even if they don't ask you any questions from what you've prepared, the way you enter your room, other kids will be sweating. So prepare really hard,
Yeah.
and you'll be like, "Pooch lo kuch bhi yaar."
Yeah, the
Pooch lo kuch
confidence
bhi.
is
The confidence.
Yeah,
Even if they're asking and beating around the bush regarding your preparation, still you're very confident about
Yes.
things. Yes, Pinto.
I would like to just say one thing is that if your resume is like everyone else's, pretty much you can predict that the result could be too. So what my major focus here is to say that be unique. Set yourself apart from the others. Now, एक बंदा जो कुछ कर रहा है उसके पीछे क्योंकि उसका रिजल्ट अच्छा आया करके उसके पीछे सिर्फ भागो मत. Do something that actually makes you stand out from the rest.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. This is so amazing. Boys and girls, do the like button for sure. And trust me, anybody who's 21, 22, if you got this level of intelligence, what these guys possess, and studying at Aloysius, you're good to go. Mark my words, all these three kids. Can you guys help them if they have any questions regarding Aloysius or placement?
Definitely, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. मैं इनके LinkedIn profile नीचे दूंगा. Any questions you guys have, feel free to drop in a comment regarding PlacePair, regarding profile. All these best place students will be sharing it with you. Thank you so much. It's pleasure and honor meeting you guys. All the very best. Have a seat. Have a seat. Thank you so much. वो क्या बोलते हैं? Like, share, क्या बोलते हैं?
Comment, subscribe.
Like, अच्छी से बोलो यार.
Guys, Bolo?
Yeah.
Guys, please
Please
like,
like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you for joining in. It was a pleasure meeting you, all of you guys. And as I said, do it in the like button. See you in the comment section with all questions you have. We'll do a giveaway as well. I'm going to announce you and give you one of my favorite books regarding your placements, how to prepare. जिसका question बढ़िया होगा regarding job interviews, या placements, या elogious. Comment करेगा and I'll send you one of the books within 1 week of time of your commenting. God bless you guys. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.